The KCPD, see, I'm already doing it, the Kansas City, Missouri Police Department is quite fond of using acronyms. And one acronym community groups often hear is CIO, which is Community Interaction Officer. We have 7. East Patrol has Jason Cooley.
Community Interaction Officer position provides many opportunities for the police department to be able to help people. More times than not, it's just a positive experience and allows us to engage the community, break down barriers, earn trust, earn friendships, and just try to make communities safer. And it's about relationships, partnerships, and communication. CIOs offer an opportunity for direct engagement with the community that goes beyond just the typical call for service.
Metro Patrol, John Trainer.
I think CIO position is important. It gives the homes associations, businesses, citizens a contact person, even to ask what happened on their block, to what can I do about crime in my neighborhood. We bring things to the table, talk about them, work things out, problem solving. There's just a lot of people in the city that want to help.
Central Patrol, Jim Shriver.
The CIO serves as a critical link between the citizens of Kansas City and the Kansas City, Missouri Police Department. In Central Patrol Division, I think we got some of the best groups in the entire Kansas City metropolitan area. Very close group. They actually, become family instead of just residents.
South Patrol, Mike Hammer.
It seems like each day there's new challenges, different situations the community comes to me with that I end up scratching my head wondering, okay, how are we going to handle this? How are we going to combat this issue that this group is encountering? One, we're out there in the community. We're viewed as the officer-friendly, kind of the liaison between the community and the police department. A lot of people have questions. They want to know how to get in touch with different units. They might not have any access or never, been in contact with them, like for them to come to a picnic. How do I get in touch with this group? I just kind of play the liaison.
North Patrol, Paul Burkhalter.
It's exactly what I wanted to do since the beginning. To work with the community, to deal with issues at hand, and absolutely love it. Up north, we have great communication with our HOAs, our community at hand. The communication between North Patrol and the citizens has been great. A good day when I don't get any complaints about speed bumps.
Shoal Creek, Rick Cartwright.
It's very much rewarding. It gives me the opportunity to interact with the public and be that liaison between the public and what the department can do for them. I do think it's very important that the department have community interaction officers, just because the title itself says that we are ones that work with the public and that we want to interact with them and address their problems and let them know what the police department can do for them and what they can do also to obviously help themselves.
And finally, me, Shelley Gaddis. We spoke with CIO Coordinator Captain Chris Sicoli.
The community interaction officers are vitally important to our department and to the communities they serve. They have to know the dynamics of each neighborhood they work with. They have to know the dynamics of the division they work within. They have to keep current on what's happening within the department and within the community. They are the go-to person for those neighborhoods. We have a great mix between people that have been a CIO for many, many years to people that are just starting as a CIO. They seem to work together very well as a group. They share information. CIOs should never be used as an emergency contact. They are strictly an after-the-fact resource, either to find out what was happening in your neighborhood or to provide intelligence information. I think a lot of people, not only in the community, but also a lot of officers, forget the CIOs have a lot of wonderful contacts in their neighborhoods, and they receive an awful lot of intelligence about who is doing what and where. It does take a very special type of person to be a CIO. You have to be somebody that is outgoing, that is willing to meet new people, that can work with very limited supervision. At the same time, the department has to trust them that they're going to follow the department guidelines and put out the department viewpoints. I'm very pleased with the current caliber of CIOs that we have.
Chief Forte often says relationships mean everything. As CIOs, we reach out to businesses, schools, faith-based organizations, home associations, and community groups. We keep the public informed on what the police department does and why we do it. We assist in neighborhoods setting up their block watch programs, we listen to complaints and suggestions, and we answer questions. Our connections range from the city council to state representatives and senators. People often say, "Where's a cop when you need one?" Well, CIOs may be the easiest to find. Check us out at www.kcpd.org. I'm Officer Shelley Gaddis. Have a safe week.